first thing you do, you go to the App Store or Google Play Store, and you just want to type in WeChat like so. Now, when you type in WeChat, you're going to scroll down, click on the option that's called WeChat with the 2 text bubbles as their icon. Now, once you download this app, which it may prompt you to already log in, or you can click on more options where you can click on the sign up option like so. Now, once you click on sign up, you enter in your full name, your region, which is where you live, the country, your phone number, and you set password, and you agree to the terms and conditions. I've been using this app for about 6 months. I was in China, and it's relatively safe and really easy to use. It's like more convenient than text message. So once you sign up, you can actually just go over here. You'll be brought to the login where you can actually just type in your password and click on login from here. And when you actually log in, it'll look like this. And you can basically just use this app to actually scan QR codes to pay for bills. You can click on your money option, or you can add contacts by going here. And just creating messages is really easy to add people. And if you just want to go to your settings, bottom right corner,